Are you someone who wants to draw beautiful colored pencil portrait drawings like this, but you don't know how to draw or even which materials to use? Then don't worry, I am here to help you. By the way, this is Lavanya Siddeshwar. I am a pencil drawing artist. I have been drawing realistic colored portraits since 3 years and I have drawn more than 40 colored pencil portraits till now. With all the experience, I have come up with a color pencil portrait drawing workshop. This is a 3 months duration course where you can learn realistic color pencil portrait drawing within 3 months without having to waste your time in finding out the right materials or right methods to use in your portrait drawing. Watch the complete video if you want to know all the details about this portrait drawing course. First of all, this course is starting from May 6th. This course will be completely live, so you can learn with me in Zoom meeting with complete live sessions. If you are someone who is wondering how I can learn drawing from online, I can come up with many examples. Even myself, I have learned drawing from online only. I have not gone to any school. You can see my portrait drawings are displayed in the screen. I have learned everything from YouTube and some online classes, so it is completely possible. You can learn completely from online. Even though if you are beginner, if you pay complete attention and if you are dedicated, you can master portrait drawing skills. In this course, you will have 36 sessions. Duration will be 3 months. So per month you will get 12 sessions. For your convenience, I have made this only on the weekends. So you will have to attend Friday, Saturday and Sunday 6 to 7 pm. I hope this timing will be very convenient for most of you, because I know most of you will be going to school or you will be working somewhere. So I didn't want to disturb that schedule of yours. So I have made it only on the weekends and only 3 classes in a week. So you don't have to attend this drawing class every day. Okay, here I will tell you what the course structure looks like. I know your end goal is to learn portrait drawing, but I don't want to start from portrait drawing itself. If you want to master portrait drawing skills, then you will know how to use the color pencils and you have to experience it practically. So in this course, I will teach you from basics, like what are the different kind of color pencils available and what is the purpose of the different types of pencils. Also, I will tell you how to hold the pencil for better grip and control. I will teach you how to blend colored pencils, because that is very important when it comes to colored pencil portrait drawings. Only if you know how to blend colored pencils, you can get that realistic look in your portrait drawings. Also, I will tell you what colors to use and how to select colors for particular skin tone. Also, I will teach you how to bring depth in your drawings by using one still life drawing as an example. Once you are good with these basics, then I will teach you skin drawing, hair drawing and also few face features separately, so that you will get used to before you start drawing the complete portrait. After this, very important one, that is drawing a perfect outline for your portrait. So if you want to get that realistic and resemblance in your portrait drawings, it is very important that you do the outline perfectly. For that, I will be teaching you the grid line method in depth, how you can get all the features correct in your portrait drawing. So once after you are confident with the outline drawing, then I will teach you how to draw a realistic colored pencil portrait in live. So this is the structure of color pencil portrait drawing course. I have designed the course structure so that it can help even the beginners to learn color pencil portrait drawing. Now you must be thinking how much amount I have to spend in buying materials for this course, right? I know colored pencils are really expensive. If you want to buy premium quality colored pencils, you will have to spend 7 to 8,000 rupees. I don't want you to spend so much money during this level. So once you master your skills and you start getting some orders, then you will have some money to spend on materials. That time you can upgrade the materials. Now, right now I will suggest you to buy Brustro 72 set of colored pencils, because these pencils are affordable and also it has very good range of colors, so anybody can buy these colored pencils. That is the only reason I am suggesting these colored pencils. Along with the Brustro 72 color pencil set, if you buy Brustro portrait drawing set, even that will be very useful, but that is up to you. If you have budget, you can buy both of them. If you don't have, then you can go for the Brustro 72 color pencils. And the paper we will be using in this course is 150 GSM paper. You can buy any 150 GSM paper, that will be sufficient for us. So that will have enough texture to work on. Do not buy ultra smooth paper. It will be very difficult to work on ultra smooth paper. We need some texture to hold the color pencil layers. Now we have covered about the materials. Now I will tell you what is the price for this workshop. Price of this workshop is 1699 rupees per month. You will have 3 months duration course. If you want to pay 3 months fees at once, you will get 10% discount on it. For 3 months it will be 5100 rupees. After discount it will be 4590 rupees. If you want to join this workshop, you can check the link in the description box. Also there is a mail ID. You can contact me through mail ID if you have any questions. Also I will reply to all your comments. So you can even contact me in comment box itself. Very important thing, there are only few seats available in this course. Because this is a completely live workshop, I cannot accommodate more students. Make sure you register as soon as possible. Along with the live workshop, you will also get a WhatsApp group and also Facebook group where you can share your work and your progress art, and also you will get feedback from me, and you will be in direct contact with me through WhatsApp. So if you are having any doubts, you can ask me over there. Whatever the doubts you will have, you will get clarified. If you are facing any difficulty in contacting me, please let me know in the comments. I will help you. Once again, I am reminding you, the course is starting from May 6th, 2022. And please let me know if you are having any questions in the comment box. You can also check all the course details in my website and also in Instagram. I have added the links in the description box. Okay, because of the timing or some many other reasons, if you are not able to join this workshop, then you can watch my colored pencil portrait drawing tutorials in YouTube. Of course, this will not have all the information what I am going to share in the portrait drawing course, but at least you will get some understanding over there. So you can check the videos I have added in the end screen. Let's meet in the workshop.